Design is a very important part of online business today. Whether you are creating YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, flyers, or even the simple business graphics, good design help you to look professional and trustworthy. The problem is many beginners think design is difficult or they believe they need expensive software and strong design skills. The good news is you don't need any of that. Canva makes the design simple for everyone, even if you are starting from zero. In this video, I will walk you through Canva in a very beginner friendly way so you can start using the Canva and you can create the clean and professional designs without any stress. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to access the Canva with any available free plan or special features. By using the description link, any available benefit that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's understand what Canva actually is. Canva is an online design tool that works directly from your browser or mobile app. You do not need to install heavy software and you don't need to design experience. Canva gives you ready-made template and drag and drop element and simple controls so you can focus on creating instead of learning complicated tools. This is why Canva is very popular among beginners, students and small business owners and also in the content creators. When you open Canva, the first thing you will notice the template library. Canva already has designs for almost everything you need. You will find the templates for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, social media ads, presentations, poster, resume, and many more. Instead of starting from blank page, you can choose a template and you can edit with that. This saves a lot of time and help you to avoid the design confusion. Once you select the template, Canvas editor opens. This is where the real magic happens. Everything works with the simple click and just drag and drop. If you want to change the text, you can do that. If you want to change the color, you can do that. And you can do all of this on just one click. And you can resize the element, you can move them around, and you can see the changes instantly. This makes Canva very beginner friendly and stress free. Now let's talk about the text and the fonts. Canva offers many fonts that already look good together and you don't need to think too much. Just choose a clear and readable fonts, especially for the thumbnails and social posts, and just avoid using too much font in one design. Simple text with good spacing that always look more professional than the crowded designs. Images and graphics are another strong part of Canva. Canva provides free photos, icons, shape, illustrations that you can use directly. If you have your own images, that you can upload it. And you can also remove the background. You can add effects. You can adjust brightness, contrast by using these simple tools. These features also help you to create the attractive visuals even if you are not a designer. For YouTube creators, Canva is very useful for making the thumbnails. A good thumbnail can increase the clicks and views. Canva already has thumbnails and you can just customize them. So you don't need to worry about the dimension because it has the layout here. Just focus on clear text, strong visuals and simple design. And avoid putting too much information in one thumbnail. Canva is also useful for presentations and business uses. If you are making slides for work or online courses, Canva is very helpful and you can keep everything clean and consistent. You can use the same colors, font, style across all of your slides, which makes your content look more professional. Another important feature is the teamwork. Canva allows you to share your design with others and work together. This is helpful for small teams, agencies, or anyone who is working with clients. You can get feedback, you can make changes, and manage the designs in one place. So for beginners, my best advice is to keep things simple. Do not try to use every feature at once. Start with the templates, make small changes and slowly explore. And explore more tools when you will become comfortable. So that's all for today's video and that's your beginner friendly Canva tutorial. So Canva is very powerful, simple and perfect for anyone who wants to create design without any stress. If this video helped you to understand, then give it a like and share it with someone who wants to improve their design skills easily. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.